Hey guys, Sak here from sakitech, and in today's video we finally have the major update for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. This update is going to bring camera and display improvements, so let's dive in and see exactly what's going on here. Now let me quickly show you something new and cool. So now when you go to the settings, alright, right over here, you can see when there is a software update available, it actually shows up right here instead of here on the top in previous One UI versions. So with One UI 6.1, if you have a brand new update, it shows up right here and you can tap on it to go inside it, or you just go down like usual, tap on software update and tap on download and install. So here we have it. You can see it says added the vividness option under display. We have the camera improvements, the device behavior has been improved, the security has been improved, and of course if I scroll down, you can see the size of this update is 677 megabytes. It ends in XP7. It is One UI 6.1, includes the latest security patch. So let's install this. We're going to be right back and we're going to look at all the improvements. Let's tap on install now. Alright, so here we have it. The software is now up to date. I'm going to tap on OK, so we should be good to go. Let's look at the first improvement in the display. So if I go to my settings right over here, and if I scroll down, go to display, and if I go down one more time, you're going to go to screen mode. I'm going to tap on this. Now we have the vivid option, natural option as usual. Now when you go to natural, everything disappears. When you go to vivid, you get these options. When you tap on advanced settings, now at the bottom you have this vividness option whereby you can increase the vividness, as you can see. So you may not be able to see that on the camera, but it is making a difference more than before. It is not highly dramatic, but it is now giving you that option. You can also modify these guys here. As you can see, they make a change, but when you go to advanced settings, you have this option as well to make the phone as vivid as you want or as less vivid as you want if you like the more natural tones. So you do have multiple options. Now one thing I'm going to let you know is I have had reports where people are not seeing this option even after the update. The reason for that is if you go out here and if you enable adaptive color tone, which is this option, now when I go back into screen mode, you are going to see that advanced settings disappears. So just keep that in mind. If you have the adaptive color tone enabled, the screen mode that was added under advanced is going to disappear because the adaptive tone simply makes the phone more warm to look at. So when the phone is warm, there's no point in having it to go vivid, okay? So disable this to access the advanced settings and vividness option. All right, so that's number one. Let's go and look at what else is going on. We're going to go to the camera, but real quick, let's look at the security features. So all the way at the bottom, go to About Phone, then tap on Software Information, and then scroll down and tap on Android Security Patch Level. That's going to take you to the website, and then you scroll down and you tap on Read, okay? And then you tap on Samsung right here. And what that is going to do is it's going to give you a detailed list of all the security patches that were applied for February. You can see we have a whole bunch. We have a bunch of critical patches. We have a whole bunch of high security vulnerabilities that were patched. And then we have the moderate ones. Okay, so this is something you can look at. You can scroll down and read the details if that is what you want. Now let's move on and talk about the camera. Oh, and before I go to the camera, there's one more thing that they have improved actually. If I go to my settings and if I scroll down and go to advanced features, and if I tap on advanced intelligence, you can see over here we have the phone feature and the interpreter feature. These are translation features based on languages. Now if I tap on this one over here, we have approximately 13 or so languages. The language models for the translation has been improved. So when you use the translation AI services on the phone, they are going to get you more accurate results. And again, that's going to apply to things like the interpreter and the phone and even the ones that are built into Samsung Notes and voice recorder, as long as you use the translation feature. And again, language models have been improved for a bunch of different languages. Alright, so let's move on to the camera. So first and foremost, the video recording has been improved. So when you go to video and you use any one of the lenses to record rear video, it is going to give you enhanced quality on the video. This is something you're going to be noticing if you carefully scrutinize the video you took before and after. So rear video recording capability has been improved. That is guaranteed. Number 2, when you go to more and when you go to night mode, now the photos you take with the night mode are going to be slightly better. And that is going to apply to the night mode and also to the regular night mode. So right now you can see I'm in the photo mode, but the little night icon is enabled. That means I am in night shot mode. I can turn that on and off. Now when you turn this on and you take a regular photo with the regular photo mode in low light conditions, you are gonna get better quality as well. So nightography definitely improved. The next thing that's been optimized and improved, portrait mode. So when you go to portrait mode, you take some portrait photos, they are gonna be better as well. Now, not all of these changes are gonna be dramatic, they're gonna be incremental, but that's how improvements are made. You make them better and better slowly, close to perfection. Oh, and one more thing with the camera, when you do zoom in under regular photo mode, the zoom quality has been improved as well. And when you go to like 30 and 100x zoom, you zoom in onto text, that text is gonna be more clear, okay? So they have improved the algorithms to make the zoom shots look a little bit sharper, a little bit more clear. There's also a bunch of other improvements. For example, if I go to camera and if I go to expert raw mode, now when I take a photo, it's gonna save in raw format, okay? Here's an example of a raw format. Now with the new update, when you zoom into these raw images, the quality is going to be enhanced as well. And finally, one more thing that's worth mentioning is if you take photos of fast moving subjects, they're now going to be in better focus, okay? So that has also been improved. Fast moving object photography has been improved as well. So those are the notable changes, and I'm sure there's a lot of under the hood improvements that make many things across the board even better. You can see the phone is smooth as ever. We have no problem with that. Beautiful, okay? It's already super smooth anyway. Hopefully we'll see some improvements to the battery life or not. You guys can drop comments down below to let me know if you have noticed something that I have not. Now, one more thing I want you guys to let me know real quick is when you do go to the display, with the display update, I want you guys to tell me, are you noticing a big difference in the screen vivid mode? So when you go to vivid mode, play with these settings. I can see differences here. This difference itself is changed quite a lot from here to here. But when I go to advanced settings, and if I go to from low to high, I'm not seeing a super dramatic difference, just so you know. It is there, but it's not dramatic. I'm getting a bigger difference from here to here. Do drop a comment down below and let me know what you think. But if I do go from here to here, then there's a more pronounced difference. But anyway, just drop a comment, let me know. I want to see what you guys have to say. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day.